The light strike aircraft category continues to be a growing market around the globe as more advanced platforms grow increasingly out of reach for burgeoning air powers. Beechcraft Corporation, founded by Walter Beech in 1932 and based in Wichita, Kansas, found success with the introduction of their AT-6 Texan II in 2001. Sales were strengthened by the adoption of the system under the United States Air Force and Navy branches. Additionally, the Canadian, Greek, Moroccan and Israeli Air Forces added their numbers to production, which has since yielded over 630 units. The Texan II was born from the Pilatus PC-9 series of 1984, of which 250 were produced and sold around the world. Adding to the AT-6 lineage today is the AT-6. A turboprop-powered light strike and training platform intended to fulfill the increasing need by air powers to field a reliable and proven multi-role solution where jet-powered mounts are either too costly or considered overkill in certain theaters. The AT-6 is therefore marketed as an affordable alternative to the more expensive, technologically advanced strike aircraft while covering a multifaceted approach that includes close air support, forward air control, armed reconnaissance and other military-minded sorties. The design of the AT-6 is such that its two-seat configuration is also suitable for transitioning pilots to more advanced jet-powered mounts while covering aviation fundamentals and weapons delivery education through a more compact, low-cost end product. The AT-6 features a crew of two seated in tandem under a largely unobstructed canopy located at the center of the design. The engine, a single Pratt & Whitney PT6A68D turboprop engine outputting at 1,600 horsepower, is mounted at the extreme front end of the slim fuselage, driving a four-bladed propeller assembly. The downward-sloping nature of the nose assembly allows for excellent vision out of the cockpit, and wings are low set against the fuselage. Each straight appendage sits at the center of the fuselage length and is cleared to carry a variable stores set, primarily gun pods, cannon pods, rocket pods and small conventional, laser-guided drop bombs across its 6 external hardpoints. Unlike some other light strike aircraft designs, the AT-6 supports laser-guided missiles. The empennage is relatively short, home to a single clipped vertical tail fin and low-set horizontal planes. The undercarriage is of a tricycle arrangement and fully retractable. Range of this compact aircraft is listed at 2,895 kilometers. Internally, the cockpit features 3 large multifunction displays that can be customized to suit pilot, co-pilot needs through the CMC glass cockpit and flight management system. The pilot's helmet is integrated into the Scorpion helmet-mounted cueing system, which allows for marking of targets. Flight controls are of an F-16 style HOTAS arrangement. Communications includes SATCOM and a protected voice and data link. The cockpit supplies full GPS navigation, GPS precision approach and digital terrain elevation data. Base defensive systems include a countermeasures package and missile warning indicator. The cockpit, fuel stores and engine compartment are protected through a light armor arrangement, while each crew member is granted a Martin Bacom Cruise 16 La 00 series ejection seat for worst-case scenarios. Beechcraft markets the AT-6 for use in training, irregular warfare, homeland defense and civilian-minded endeavors. Beyond its offensive-minded loadout, the AT-6 can also be equipped with targeting and surveillance equipment to broaden its tactical value. Systems include the L3 Wescam MX-15D sensor, a full-color daytime camera system, a laser illuminator and a laser rangefinder. Beechcraft maintains a long-running history in aviation, including its military commitments covering an 80-plus-year history. To date, the concern has produced over 14,500 aircraft, including 7,400 alone during World War II. Its decades of experience undoubtedly have shaped the refined AT-6.